Joined an annual walk arranged by Coldest Night of the Year organization, NOI. Reached at Rasoul Center in Milton. Got registered and received the badge representing Islamic Circle of North America, ICNA Sisters. There are lots of other groups too, who showed up to support NOI. NOI, the Coldest Night of the Year, is a winterific family-friendly walk to raise money for local charities serving people experiencing hurt, hunger, and homelessness.
So we service junior high and high school students, for those of you that don't know. And this is where we service them here at Rasoul Youth Center.
As the African proverb goes, it takes a village to raise a child. That is spot on. And today you are our village, and we are super grateful for you. So give yourselves a round of applause. All right, I know this
Shout outs for the groups who showed up today.
Sweet, sweet. Milton!
ICNA Sisters Milton, that's
We're so
us.
glad you're here.
Walk started. Weather is cold but pleasant. Volunteers are everywhere for assistance. Cars were honking in support. More volunteers for encouragement and guidance. Amazing experience walking in cold. Spirits were high. More support and love. After 2 kilometers of walk, we reached the rest stop. Very well organized event. Hats off to the organizers.
So we are done. Our group decided to go back from here, from the first stop, but it was such a great experience. I had a lot of fun walking for a charity, for a cause, and it's a great event. I really enjoyed it. Not only our group, but there are lots of other groups who decided to go back from here. So that's why we are also going back. But we did participate in the walk for a cause, for our youth. We are back.